Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Medium for SEO. Medium is a powerful platform with a high domain authority, meaning your content can rank quickly on search engines. It boasts a massive audience of over 180 million monthly readers, offering incredible visibility. By strategically optimizing your presence here, you can significantly enhance your website's search engine optimization and build strong brand awareness. Let's dive into the easy methods to achieve this. First, optimize your profile and content. Begin with thorough keyword research to identify terms your audience searches for. Next, create engaging SEO titles and meta descriptions that attract clicks from search results. Within your articles, use clear headings, subheadings, and alt tags for images, all incorporating your chosen keywords. Remember to include both internal links to your other Medium posts and external links to your website, which helps build authority and improve overall SEO. To maximize visibility, focus on publishing high-quality, engaging content that truly provides value to your readers. When you publish, use all 5 available tags to categorize your stories accurately, helping Medium's algorithm show them to the right audience. Submitting your articles to relevant and popular Medium publications can significantly expand your reach. Additionally, if your content is exceptional, it might be selected for Medium's Boost feature, giving it even greater exposure. Finally, promote and track your success. Share your Medium articles widely across all your social media platforms to drive external traffic. Actively engage with the Medium community by leaving thoughtful comments and connecting with other writers. Regularly monitor your article statistics to understand how readers are interacting with your content. Use these valuable insights to continuously adapt and refine your SEO strategy, ensuring long-term growth and visibility for your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.